Binalikan natin, noong 2022, in the first State of the Nation address ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos Jr., nabanggit niya doon yung utos niya sa DSWD na gawing mabilis yung pagtugon sa pangangailangan ng mga biktima ng kalamidad at iba't ibang krisis. That directive of the President was the inspiration of the DSWD to come up with the Buong Bansa Handa Project. Yung Buong Bansa Handa po, nag-establish tayo ng 2 parallel supply chains para mas ma-improve natin yung disaster preparedness and response ng ating pong ahensya. So, yung mechanisms na to, na designed to enhance the capacity of the DSWD in meeting the needs of affected families and individuals during disasters. The first supply chain is government-driven, and the second supply chain is private sector-driven. Yung supply chain 1, strengthen natin yung production sa National Disaster Response